Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Guardian Insurance, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Guardian Insurance website. Locate the Get Started or Sign Up button on the home page. Click on the button to begin the installation process. You will be redirected to a new page with various options. Select the type of insurance plan you wish to install. Fill in the required personal information fields, such as your name and email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. Click the Continue button to proceed to the next step. If prompted, verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. Once verified, return to the Guardian Insurance site and log in with your credentials. Choose your coverage options from the presented list. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. Accept the terms and click the Next button. Enter your payment information in the designated fields. Select your preferred payment method, whether it be credit card or bank transfer. Review your payment details to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Submit button to complete your installation. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen. Keep an eye on your email for the policy documents and further instructions. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Guardian Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.